In this video, you are going to see how to use the auto cut detection feature in Adobe Premiere Pro and what the uses of it are. So let's start right away. If you want your reels to be edited very fast, but don't know how many seconds you want to add B-rolls for, or if you want some B-rolls or clips from the other videos to add into new edits, then this auto cut detection feature in Premiere Pro definitely helps you. For example, let's see here. I downloaded a reel from Instagram. Now, if I want to add my own B-roll so that I can make the edit exactly the way I want, I use the auto cut detection feature. Simply after adding the clip to the timeline, right click on it and choose the auto cut detection option. A new window will open like this. Here, you need to select the option that you want. Since I want an exact cut for every scene change, I'm using this first option and clicking on OK. Now, Premiere Pro will take some time to analyze the clip and will make a cut for every transition. Once that's done, I can easily replace the footage with my own clips and edit it very fast. Not only that, let's say I want to add some B-rolls from an old video where I don't have any of the original footage. So I downloaded the video and repeat the same process. Instead of struggling to find out exactly where the B-roll starts, this AutoCut detection feature helps and makes the work much easier. That's it guys. This is how you can use the Adobe Premiere Pro auto cut detection feature to speed up your editing workflow. Don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this along with YouTube growth related videos.